Hello children, welcome back to your video sessions of chapter number 1 computer languages. Now we have to learn about assembly language. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. For example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in the binary language, it can be directly written as ADD in assembly language, as assembly language uses symbolic codes. Hence it is easier to work with assembly language than binary language. Since a computer can only understand machine language, so assembly language programs have to be converted into machine language. Translator programs known as assemblers were developed to convert the assembly language program into machine language. A program written in assembly language is called the source program, whereas the program converted into machine language by the assembler is called the object program. Now children, assembly language was the computer language which was used in the second generation of computers. Now, if you want to do addition of two numbers, you are simply going to write add. Similarly, if you want to do subtraction of two numbers, you will simply write sub. These are the mnemonic codes for addition and subtraction. Now, as you all know that a computer understands only machine language, that is in binary form of 0 and 1. So, the programs which you have written in assembly language for addition and subtraction have to be converted into machine language. For this, we use a translator which is called assembler. An assembler is a kind of translator which converts our assembly language program into machine language program. Now, a program written in assembly language is known as source program, whereas the program which we have converted into machine language will be known as object program. Next, we have a high-level language, that is third generation language. Now, a high-level language program was used in the third generation of computers. Now, let's read about high-level language. The restrictions in the usage of machine and assembly language prompted people to develop a language with the following features: simple and user-friendly language that is machine independent. Owing to the above mentioned features, it became easy to learn and use the computer language. A large number of people started writing computer programs using these languages. It is also known as high-level language. High-level language is quite similar to English language. Basic C++, Java, etc. are some of the very popular examples of high-level languages. Now, a high-level language is very much similar to English-like statements, which uses English statements as well as mathematical operators. These languages were based on two features which were simple and user-friendly. Like when we are using simple English-like statements in a programming language, it is easier to understand. Second, language that is machine independent. Machine independent means the machine language which we used was not machine independent. The machine you created the program were used to run on that machine only. Whereas talking about high level language, you can run these programs written in high level language on any machine. So these programs are machine independent. We will learn further about high level language in a very next video session. Till then, take care.